Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for another plan with me in my HOBONICHI weeks, and I'll be planning for the week of April 7th through to the 13th, and I'm going to be using a new collection coming out this Friday. I almost said October 11th, April 11th, and it is the To Be Read collection. And basically this is reminiscent of many of our To Be Read piles. I have a similar one like this as well, and it's not a I have a pile next to my bed, but I also have a pile in my audiobooks. But anyway, this is a collection that's coming out this Friday, April 11th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And this collection includes the deco sheet, the circles, the dots and swatches, and the ink splatters. I love the ink splatters. They're probably my favorite. All right, let's get started. First thing I've done is put whiteout in the areas down here to cover the quotes, and the whiteout that I used is this Wiper cream tape. I purchased this off of Paper Plus Cloth. Wow, my brain there for a second. Sorry. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take my Pilot Vanishing Point. This has, oops, sorry, Pilot Iroshizuku Take Sumi in here, and I use this for drawing out the columns. That helps you separate the different sections in my HOBONICHI weeks. And there's different uses for each of these columns. And it actually didn't take too much experimentation on my part to be able to figure out what I wanted each of these columns to be. This first column I want for the scheduled events, like my work schedule, appointments, things like that. This middle section is for to-do lists, and then this side here is for the weather. And I found out from one of my friends that they actually really enjoy looking at my weather, so that will continue. All right, so here we have the ink splatters, and what I want to do is cut these in half because I will be placing these at the bottom of my spread here. Whoops. Ooh, stuck. I place one this way. And then one the other way. And I thought I needed two, but it looks like I only need one. Perfect. And then I think I'm actually going to pull out some quotes here from According to Allie. Did I pull out the right sticker book? New Year's quotes, those quotes. Let me find a different one here. These are from According to Allie, and these are her cool quotes. And actually, I think these match really well. I'm going to, like, look at how well those match. I like the, well, I like the it's okay, life is tough, but so are you. Here we go. Remove the extra bits here. Oh, I love that. Is it centered? Wow. Okay. Next, I'm going to work on this side. And let's place some books up here maybe. And then down here. I didn't think to cover this calendar, and now I'm going to, because I want to place a set of books there. So let's put these. Oh, come on, my fingers are not working right now. And place these here. Actually, hold on. I'm bringing in this washi because it just seems fit. Look at how much I'm running out of this. It seems fitting for this. So I'm going to place it like that. And then have the books. You know what? Just like that, lined up. Okay, then I will place this one down at the bottom here, and then I will leave the others for my spread that I do in the back. So placing that down, and then I like this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. I literally, oh, hold on. See, this is why I always film these. Oh no, I'm ripping my own stickers. I film these basically right after I print the testers, because then I can adjust the silhouettes cut settings before I actually print these for orders. Okay. Oh, I really like that color palette. I want to place actually one more thing here. Maybe another quote. Maybe I put a quote up here. I like this one. Perfectly imperfect. And then I could put tasks up here. Okay. So what I'll do is put tasks. And I will use one of the dots and swatch. Ow! Ah, I just poked myself with it. That is the first time that's properly happened on video since I got these tweezers years ago. See, that was going to happen eventually at one point in my life. Okay. Don't worry, I am okay. So tasks. Perfect. Then I will use, yeah, I think I'll do sleep here. So I'm going to draw everything out with the Pilot Vanishing Point. So draw everything out with the black ink. And then as the week progresses, I will fill in these trackers using the ink that is in my pens here. I am in the middle of doing inks 1 through 5 of 15. Wow. Sorry, my writing. 15 inks in 30 days. And so far, so good. It's amazing that the last time I did this was in November. So there's my workouts, or what I'm going to do for my workouts this week. Then I will do my habits down here. So this will be my vitamins, audiobook, my nighttime routine, and no stationery spend. Monday, Tuesday. These habit trackers are a test of how well I know the days of the week. Perfect. I feel like I should have moved that down one more, but that is okay. So with how I use this side of the Hobonichi weeks, there's still plenty of room for decoration, which I like. But I also love seeing how other people use their Hobonichi weeks, and it's just full of trackers. But for me personally, I can't keep up with that many trackers. This is more than enough for me. Ooh, did I get ink on me? Okay, so now that I've done that, then I could possibly add something down here, maybe another ink splatter. Or do I add a circle? Maybe a couple of circles. Ooh. Ink splatter, goodness, an ink splatter. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so the main decorated parts are done. Actually, I haven't done this in a while, but I will go ahead and put these dots on top of the dates to add a little bit more color on this side. I don't normally do this with other sticker collections, sticker kits, stickers in general, but since I have them in my own collections, I will use them. Okay. And for me, there's a lot going on this week. Getting new releases ready. And as I'm filming this, it's Sunday. And I've already done like the hard work that I need to get done for the week. Now it's just, I guess, the admin stuff of putting up the product listings and sending out or getting the email ready to go out, which I'm at a good place for. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is write in my work schedule. Before I do that, I need some blotting paper because otherwise I am probably going to smudge. So this is my Narwhal Voyage in the Tromso model, and the ink that's currently in here is Wearingeul Atlas. Work schedule. It's not like I do this every week. And same here. Actually, there's no changes to the work schedule this week. Then Thursdays are the only day that are different. And then Friday. And Saturday, Henry has swimming. He's already said to me, Mom, can I take a break in the summer? I was like, sure. And then badminton. Oh, what a journey today was. Okay, so story time. Today is Sunday that I'm filming this, and Henry slept over at my aunt's house last night, and he's done that before, and we just picked him up on the way to badminton. This morning, I was headed out the door. I thought I had all my stuff, and I was halfway to my aunt's house, which is about a 15-minute drive away from me, and I realized I forgot his badminton stuff at home. So I picked up Henry from my aunt's house, drove back to my house, and then drove to badminton, and we were only 5 minutes late considering. So, not bad. Okay, then we have the cleaner coming on Wednesday. Thursday, I have Weight Watchers. Then I am meeting a friend for dinner. Friday, nothing. And then, actually, I'm not going to swimming on Saturday. I'm meeting a friend for brunch, which reminds me, okay, and then I'm also meeting a friend for brunch here. So busy week socially for me. Okay, so now my to-do list of things. Monday is the usual meal plan, order groceries, but this will also be the day that I do our bed linens. Then Tuesday, put out garbage. And then I will actually then need to do the product listings and the email for Friday's release. Wednesday, I am going to edit and upload inks 1 through 5. Then I think there's one other thing that I'm going to need to film for the weekend, and I may have time to do it that day. Ink exploration. Then My husband's going to pick up groceries. Nothing on Friday as of yet. Okay, and then the rest of the week is as is. Now, time for the weather. All right, so this week is looking lovely. But let's just do the icons. This stamp is from AliExpress, and we are actually getting some rain on Tuesday. Wednesday, sunny. Thursday is sun and cloud. I like when I can combine two stamps. Friday is raining. Saturday is cloudy. And then Sunday is sun and cloud. I don't know why this is so fun for me. It's another type of thing to put into my planner. And it, the weather doesn't always match up, but it gives me a good estimation. So let's see. Monday, the high is 13 Celsius. Crazy. And the low is 3. Like a couple of weeks ago. Let's look to where it was a couple of weeks ago. Last week, the high was 2. The week before that, the high was 9. The week before that, the high was 0. The week before that, 1, actually 4. Then minus 21. Yeah, family day, minus 21. Crazy. Okay, Tuesday, the high is 11 Celsius with the low of 1. Wednesday, the high is 13 again. It's going to be a beautiful week. I will need to get my tires changed to summer tires, but I almost don't want to do it yet because living here in Alberta, there's always the risk of one more snowfall. Even if we're in April, even if the temperatures are as such, there's always the risk of another snowfall. So I normally wait until like the last weekend of April. Where are we? Saturday, the high is 11 and the low is 2. Sunday's a little chilly with the high of only 10 and the low of 0. Yeah. Okay. I'm really liking how that looks. I love the colors of this spread, the browns and the blues, and this is kind of like a grayish purple. What's in here is Ink Institute Lavender Coral, and it's in my new Jinhao 10. This is the gray gradient. All right, but that is it for me. Yeah, I like that. So this collection is coming out this Friday, April 11th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. Oh, somebody asked me about these smiley little clippies. These were freebies that came along with my Cult Pens order. And if you were interested in ordering Cult Pens, I do have an affiliate link in the description below for 10% off your first order. They are actually based in the UK, but they have really quick shipping. Okay. Can I think of anything else that I need to say here? No, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.